In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress account and set up your own website step by step. Whether you're starting a blog, building a personal website, or you simply want to explore WordPress and its features, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to Google, then search for WordPress Register. Once you see the official WordPress link at the top of the results, click on it to begin the account creation process. On this page, you'll notice multiple sign-up options, like Google, Apple, GitHub, or email. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, choose how you want to create your account. For example, you can click on Sign up with Google and log in using your Google account. After signing in, WordPress will take you to the setup screen where you'll be asked to choose a domain name. Type in a name related to your site, and WordPress will show you several domain options. Select a free WordPress.com domain and click Continue to move forward. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Think about your website name in advance, choose a simple domain, and make sure you're logged into the correct Google or email account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion. Once you've completed these steps, select the plan you want to use. If you're just getting started, choose the free plan by clicking Start with Free. After that, WordPress will ask about your goals, such as blogging or creating a website, so select the options that fit your needs. You'll then be able to pick a design or theme, preview it, and click Continue to create your site. It's also a good idea to explore the dashboard once your site is ready, so you can customize it later without any issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a WordPress account and launch your website easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.